Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have some white chocolate, everybody. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some white hot chocolate. Okay, if you have not got on with white hot chocolate, you need to get on with it. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. We're going to kick it up a notch, of course, how we do it at Granny's Kitchen here at Mama Soul Kitchen. Now, we have some milk here. They say you can add water, hot water, or hot milk or whatever. But we're going to use milk, okay? Now, I'm pretty sure people who may have some milk intolerance and stuff like that, I don't know if you can have this, but you might can use your regular milk, you know, and I think this might have some powdered milk in it as well. I'm not sure, but make sure you guys check the back of your ingredients boxes. But this is what we're going to do. We're going to add this into a hot pot, and we're going to add all of these wonderful succulent things. That's how we're going to kick it up a notch here at Granny's Kitchen, okay? Now, here we go. All right, everybody, we don't want the milk to scald or anything, so we're going to add it on vanilla chips. And I say about a nice half a cup would be nice and tasty. And we're going to stir that in. Turn down this fire. Now that's nice and warm. Now we're melting the chips in the nice warm hot milk. Okay. This is just wonderful. I looked on the back of that box, the white chocolate box, and it says it contains milk. It was the last thing that was put in the ingredients. It says contains some milk. So you guys who are milk intolerant, you can't have this. But I'm pretty sure you probably can make your own. You can make your own with your own oat milk, almond milk, and your vanilla chips, and white chocolate. You guys can do it yourself with regular white chocolate, right? So let's see here. Depends on how you allow it. Let's see. So now that this is nicely melting into this pot, this is going to be delicious. Okay. Now we're going to add in our powder mixtures. Now remember, we had turned the fire down on simmer low. And we're going to stir this up in there as well. And it's nicely done. Very nice. And when I do mine, I usually like to do mine with 2 packs. I've always spoiled myself with 2 packs. Even at the job, when I was at the job, I would use 2 packs of hot cocoa in my cup. I just like that richness of flavor. It's about flavor, right, everybody? So we're going to add in another one. And it's just for me. If you're making a bigger batch, you can do that. Just add your milk per cup portionment per pack that you're using. But you know me, I would use half a box and, you know, and the milk. You know, for me and 4 cups or 6 cups or something like that. But this is 2 packs right here. Look at this. This is wonderful. See that chip on the edge of the spoon there? It's melting down. See that? And this is going to be ready soon. You don't want your fire on high because it'll burn your milk, everybody. You don't want that, and it'll be black stuff floating in your cup as well. And this is just about done. You just want it warmed up thoroughly. And then we're going to pour it in our fancy glass. And I'm not sure if you want alcohol too, you can do like a white schnapps or something, some kind of peppermint schnapps. Ooh, that'd be delicious. Alright, this is looking pretty good. This is a non-stick pot, everybody. I wouldn't do it in no other way. Yeah, that looks nice, everybody. We're going to let that sit for a little bit. Be right back. Now, everybody, we're going to add in some whipped topping. It could be Cool Whip or whatever topping you prefer, but any topping will do. And here's our pot on low. We're going to add that whipped cream in there, which adds a little bit more volume to the mixture. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's how we're going to do it. And you see that? Look at it. It's melting the whipped cream into the white chocolate. You talking about fabulous flavors, 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 flavors. I'm turning it off because it's doing just what I want it to do. Look at that. See that, everybody? It is no scalded milk, no burnt milk. It's perfect. Now, we're going to add it into our glass. Now, we're going to pour it over here. Here we go. Look at this. This is my fancy glass, everybody. Look at that. Perfection. Look at that. Oh, look at that there. And we are not finished yet. We're going to add in some marshmallows. We're going to add the marshmallows on top of that. That is just beautiful. Look at that, everybody. Now we're going to add in a little bit more whipped cream, everybody. Now, is that a holiday drink or what, everybody? Nice thing of hot white chocolate cocoa and vanilla chips inside melted. There we go. It's all good. Look at that. Sit over there by a cozy fire, reminisce, be there, think about the future things that's going to be coming to Mama's Soul Kitchen. All that good old stuff. And don't forget that our buttermilk chocolate devil cake. Look at that. It's just beautiful, everybody. This is the day after. And I was able to save me a piece. And it's simply delicious with this cup right here. All right, if you like what you see, make sure you guys follow us on YouTube for a lot more. We have a lot more coming soon. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for things like this. It's coming up for the holidays. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye, babies.